Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, super putol-putol ang vlog for today. But, I went back to Manila to visit my parents. We had brunch together. Hindi ako naka-vlog at all. Pero, these are photos that I took of our dogs. Pinicture namin sila ni Isa. Actually, ako yung naghagis ng treats. And then, si Isa nagpicture siya. So, we tried doing the... Kasi meron sa Facebook kumalat na article na dogs catching treats photos. So, super funny mga faces. And we did that to our dogs. So, may mga picture nila. Super duper cute. I miss them so much. Si Harry nga actually hindi na ako masyadong kilala. Pero, yun, super fun. And then, I went back home. Dinala ko tong malaking drawer na to. Itong ginawa ni Papa na, naalala niyo ba to? It's finally done. Yung replicated na Alex 9 na drawer. So, tapos na siya. And then, I had dinner at Tagaytay with my friends, St. Jude friends. Sinundo ako nila Lawrence dito. Super fun sa Tagaytay. Grabe, ang lamig. As in, super lamig talaga. And, yeah, we had so much fun. After that, nag-coffee kami sa Bag of Beans. Super ganda ng weather. It's like, parang magre-relax ka ng bongga. I love it. So, having dinner here at Josephine's with Honeyland, Sarah, tapos sila Lawrence na sila labas nagpa-park. Josephine's, ayan. Yummy.
Hindi ka nagkakulay?
Bulalo.
Kaya ganyan siya kanina.
Ano, ito ba yung ano? Ano to?
Fish.
Relleno.
Relleno.
Na bangus. Nami. Oh, cutie baby. You're so fluffy.
Kaba, no?
Hi, Mang Mau. Yummy. Gusto mo ng suka? Ayun, nakita na si Lawrence. Uy, Lawrence, baka umalis siya. Kain na! Kain na!
Time-lapse mo yan. Time-lapse mo.
Oh, cute! Parang ang lusog niya, no? Ang dami niya papakain. Pwede usog. Yummy!
Hindi sa pa kanina eh. Medyo brown. Ay, brown. Gray.
Okay. Sakto.
You know, 1 hour kayo papunta dito. 1 and a half.
One and a half. From
BGC. So, ano? Ang lapit lang nun eh. Pauwi ng bahay mo, siguro 9, 10.
wala kayo.
12. Mga 12. Dapat yung isang bedroom.
Iniwan niya yung ulo.
Kinonvert mo,
Kinakain niya.
guest room.
Guest room? Ay, di!
Oh, syempre. Blueberry.
Tsaka
Hot chocolate.
Cute, may place din sa baba. Tapos na yung view. Oh, so beautiful. Go lang, kuya.
Sige lang.
Yummy!
hot chocolate. Hot chocolate sa akin.
Sa akin.
Hot chocolate.
Cheese.
So I just got home. I'm doing a Facebook live session again today. And as you can see, I'm using the tripod that was given to us sa Korea, sa Seoul, Korea. Bongga. Ayan. So at least hindi na ako kailangan mag-ano, diba? Mag-ganon-ganon. So, yan. So now I'm home. I was doing Facebook live pero namatay yung phone ko kasi low-bat na. So now I'm waiting for it to charge muna bago ako mag-live ulit. I poured myself a glass of wine. It's the end of the day. May binili ako sa Bag of Beans. Smell Bato, 60 pesos. Sobrang perfecto dun sa binili ko na ano. Alala niyo ba? This one. This one. Yan, ito. Sobrang perfect. Comida rica, truffle mushroom. Ay, naku, ang hirap na ng focusing nitong camera na ito, nakakaloka. Ayan, so perfect yan for that. Okay, we've been live on Facebook for a couple of minutes. I think naka 1 hour na tayo. And now we're gonna end. Ayan, thank you guys so much for watching. I-zoom natin sa mga nagko-comment. Teka lang. Ayan. Super pack nila, I saw. That's the vlog for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm sorry if medyo pa-jump. That's it. I have to edit the vlog now and then go to sleep. Thank you for watching. Bye! Inhale in as you exhale, nose to knee. Think up and over the bridge. So I'm really drawing my navel in towards my spine here. Nose to knee. Inhale, extending, dropping the right heel. And exhale. Left knee to left elbow. Hover. And then exhale, bowing forward. Uttanasana. If the legs don't straighten, who cares? Bend them generously. You can bend them back and forth. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. I just finished doing yoga. I'm so sad na hindi ko na-catch yung sunset because I was heading home. Super ganda ng sunset kanina talaga, pero hindi ko na-set up yung camera on time. When I got here, medyo pababa na siya. Pero I got a few time lapses for you guys. So today was a very busy day. Ang dami kong errands ginawa sa Manila. Medyo uneventful kasi nga puro errands lang today. So I'm merging the vlog yesterday and today. We're gonna make some dinner. Wala tayong food. If you remember, meron akong marinate na pork. Diba dalawang set yon? Napanis, guys. Oh my gosh. Kala ko the longer you marinate, mas okay. Pero yun, napanis siya, girl. Kaloka. So we're gonna cook up the chicken in a bit. I'm just resting kasi grabe na pagod ng yoga. I was sweating profusely. Pero grabe ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Like everything na-stretch. Kaya sobrang I love it. I'm watching Yoga with Adrienne. This was recommended to me by my wifey, Jessica. So super helpful. As in, you can do yoga at home. I love it. So ito yung nakuha ko sa EMS. I had to pay tax for this one, guys. Mga 2,000 plus. But this package is from Seoul, Korea, from a friend of mine from Wish Trend. I'm gonna do a separate video for you guys. So basically, skincare, hair care. Super exciting kasi from Seoul, diba? Bongga. We're gonna do a video on that. If you've been watching my vlogs, you would know na if I get addicted to eating a food, a particular food, I would eat it for 2 weeks straight until I get sick and tired of it. So right now, I'm so addicted to Pad Thai. Kanina I had Pad Thai for lunch. And then tonight, since 8 o'clock pa lang, I decided to order from Tamarind, which is a restaurant at SM Aura, super near. And good thing they work with Food Panda. So I was able to order and it's gonna arrive in about 30 minutes. I'm so excited. I just really love Pad Thai. Grabe. As in, super addicted talaga ako, girl. Yummy. I can't wait. Super ingit ako sa vlog ni Eric. Grabe. He went swimming with whale sharks. I actually watched this na kanina. Ay, as in, I've never tried swimming with whale sharks before. He went to Oslo sa Cebu. Oh my gosh, sobrang laki! Go watch his vlog. I'll have the link in the information box. Ang laki, oh my gosh! Kainggit. Tapos, when you order at Food Panda, they will text you. So, order confirmed. Meron tayong kinonfirm na ng Tamarind and then they have picked up the order. Ang bongga, diba? 60 minutes lang, guys. The food is here, guys! Yay! From Food Panda. Tamarind, I believe galing sila sa SM Aura. Look at that, guys. So, I ordered pad thai lang. Wala na ako ibang in-order. Tapos, Thai milk tea or Thai iced tea ba yun? Milk tea. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yummy, 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 yummy. Enjoying a glass of wine as usual while I do my live session on Facebook. Ayan, I do this every single day. If you want to rewatch the whole live session, Facebook page, link in the information box. And we're listening to Backstreet Boys. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. I was live for 2 hours and 44 minutes. Sobrang bongga, guys. Grabe. We had like jamming session, kaya ayun. Moon is right above us, guys. Look at that. Time to end the vlog for today, guys. I have to go edit, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!